Hi guys, today through this lecture video, I want to move forward with waffle charts. Actually, before I move to waffle charts, let me pull up this syllabus and talk about what is going on. Actually, before your mid exam, we did not actually, I couldn't cover these three things. Advanced visualization tools, I just cover up to this point, basic visualization tool. So for your mid-exam one, I skipped advanced visualization tools such as Waffle charts, word cloud, and regression plots. That's fine. Now today onwards, I'm moving from here. We have enough time to talk about everything, except this one. Actually, advanced visualization tools for word cloud. I thought that it's better to keep aside for a moment because if we need to work with word clouds, we have to work with words. That means we have to deal with natural language processing. So it is a big deal. It's a totally separate part in AI. So for now, I'll keep it aside. Otherwise, you will confuse and it's a bit harder than general stuff. But later, at the end of the course, if we have, suppose that we have 1 or 2 days, free days, then I'll go through these word clouds and then. Okay, otherwise, we'll keep word clouds aside. Today, I'll cover the whole charts, and then next day, maybe in class, I'll cover the regression plots. Okay, I hope this clears. Let's move into waffle charts. Waffle charts. What kind of chart is this? It's like a waffle. If you Google waffle charts, if you Google waffle charts, you can see waffle chart pictures. Waffle charts they have different behaviors, like different shapes, but originally they look like these and also like round shapes. Can I see them? Let me find out. So normally waffle charts are like uh, series of blocks, and also we have a waffle chart something like this. This is also a waffle chart. So based on the different parameters, so we when we change the different parameters in waffle charts, we can change the entire chart. Okay. So in general, waffle chart gonna be something like this, but we can draw something like this as well. Okay. All right. Waffle charts. It is another graph time to visualize our data. There are two ways that we can use waffle charts in Python. Actually, there are two libraries. First one we called different library that we haven't talked about before, PyWaffle, okay, Python waffle, and the other one is using matplotlib. So if we are using matplotlib, then that means we have to deal with it manually. Okay, we have to manually tell them, okay, I need this kind of waffle chart, I need this color, these are the things. So likewise, I have to tell everything manually if I just use matplotlib. But if we use the specific library PyWaffle, I don't have to do a lot work, but still we have to do few things. Anyway, in this discussion, I'll try to explain how to do this using a Waffle library and Matplotlib separately. Okay. Okay. First, using PyWaffle. Actually, in order to use this PyWaffle, you have to install this PyWaffle using pip command. Pip install PyWaffle. That's a command. You can simply go to the command your console, spider console, and type pip install waffle, PyWaffle. I think I also don't have that one, so let's install pip install Waffle. Waffle. Yeah, Waffle. Let's try. It will install automatically. You don't have to do much work. Still, it is running. I think it will take couple more minutes. No, it will take a minute to install. So it's a bit large library that we use in Python. Okay, until it install, uh, let's move forward. So in this example, normally, whatever the example we use, we just use two things like, sorry, three things. First import NumPy, then is import pandas, then matplotlib. So keep those two, at least first two is important, okay? Uh, right, still running. Um, import, import NumPy as np, import pandas as p, then import matplotlib. Yeah, import matplotlib piplots. Import matplotlib dot piplots uh, as pld as pld. So keep these things in your mind. Right. Next, what we are going to do is simply import Waffle from. Sorry, I think I cannot do it because still this is this is running. Still, Waffle is story, so I cannot use Waffles. This Waffle package, we use this waffle. Okay, we can create the data set. Still running. So we'll create a data set. Uh, Most of the time, this is something I know because I have done. Uh, when we copy and paste from PDF, Python will not recognize some characters. For example, brackets. This sorry, some for example, quotation marks, double O single quotation mark. Since the different text, Python will not run if you copy and paste. So it's better to rewrite these. Here we have, I'm going to generate a simple data set which has categories with the frequencies. So I have category and frequency. There are three categories, category A, category B, category C. They have their values. Okay, so for now, keep it category. Also, category should come inside the brackets. Uh, Category A, the number. Sorry, the number which is 30. No, which is, yeah, 30. The next category. So I'm going to copy and paste. How many? Three. Just three is fine. So this is going to be category B. This is going to be category C. This is 30, 20, 50. Okay, then I can write here this one from 5FL import Waffle. From 5FL import Waffle. Right? Okay, should go away now. Fix. Okay, then what? Then you have to create this Waffle chart. First, initiate this Waffle chart by initiating this figure. Okay, plot. That's the PLT. PLT dot figure. I need to arrange a figure. Then inside that figure, from there, from here to here, you have to mention what is the class, what is the figure class, uh, number of rows, what are the values, these things. Uh, fig equals plt dot plot tiny figure by URL, put a bracket, and you can press enter, you can type there. That's what it's saying. Now you have to mention what is the figure class, how many rows, what are the values, where data set. If you need a legend, then you have to mention what is the legend and what is the category variable. You can change colors. So let's for now add a few things. Figure class. Figure underscore class. No, figure class. Figure class FLC capital. Figure class equal uh waffle. Equal waffle. Come on, because still we are running the same thing. Uh, then how many rows? It is optional. You can mention rows equals 3, whatever. That's not defined. Then values. You have to mention the data set name. Okay, values. Values you can mention here. They have the mention values data set. Okay, data set. Okay, I have this data set here. It should be capital. Oh no, simple data. Okay, it should be capital or simple. This one. Next, I'm talking about legends. Get a legend, add colors, put it inside this figure. That's how it works. Let's say let's add a legend. We need to add a legend. No, we don't need to add a legend. That's totally fine. We can skip these things. These are optional. Except the values, these are optional. These are optional things. Okay. Okay. Then finally, plot.show. Finally, plt.show. Let's see. Mm, PLT is not defined. PLT. Okay, here's the problem. If you have a problem, you had um, I think I know the issue. It should be pie plot, not pipe plots. What's this? Yeah, I should. Yeah, I should. Right. Okay, then run this data set. I just create this data set. What is this show? Sorry, what is this show? Module of this folder value. I think I know the issue here. Should be capital waffle. So this is also the capital waffle. W capital. I think. Okay, that should be the problem. Yeah. I got the plot. This one. Here's the plot. Um, so as you can see here, based on these values, there are three categories. So based on these values, uh, reference chart is here. Okay. Okay. This is how we use PyWaffer, that package. If you are using Matplotlib, situation is a bit different. Yeah. Yeah. So the situation is a bit different if you are using Matplotlib. Okay. So if you want to create referral charts using Matplotlib, then they have restrictions. At that point, it has restrictions, grid of scars or other shape to represent the data. It's definitely a grid. So you can call Matplotlib as PLT, then this data set, our created data set, then call, and then if you need, you can fix the picture size. It's optional. Plot access, you can, if you need, you can turn off access names just so that we have just the access. Okay. Or you can give colors to these three different categories. Uh, since we need data, since we need to calculate things, we use enumerator. This is a for loop. This is actually a for loop, but inside you can see there's a specific keyword enumerator, enumerate, which means you have numerical values to calculate. It use the category in this for loop. It works with the category, enumerator, and data items. Okay, don't worry about the data items. Uh, This is how we do it in manually. First, you need to calculate the number of blocks. How many blocks do you need? So based on the value set, you can divide it by particular number and get the approximate boxes that you need. Okay. Then you have to check the range of these slots. The range of these slots. And then you can add a legend, and normally you can draw a plot using PLT command. Plot dot legend, plot dot show. So it's up to you. All right, let's. I hope this is clear for you guys. Maybe I think the first option is the best option because using Matplotlib is with more work that we have to do. Please use this code a few times and practice. Okay. Next day I'll cover this part a little bit, and we will move to other graphs, not the word cloud, but this other things. Uh, Please try this. Okay. I'll upload a document that you can find problems. Okay. Later this week, I'll upload a document. So go through that document and try to solve those problems. Okay. Uh, all right. You just need to get an idea, just get an idea how to, I mean, what is the waffle chart, how to draw this kind of waffle charts. That's enough. Okay. But most of the time, we use waffle charts, so it is not a big deal. Okay. You don't have to mention data. If you are using a data set, you don't have to mention what is the data, what is this data categories, like that. Okay. Waffle charts, remember this, waffle charts works with categorical and numerical values. Okay. It requires two variables. One is categorical, the other one is numerical. Okay, so one categorical, one numerical. That's how this waffle chart work. Okay. Okay, guys, I think that's pretty clear for you guys. Then hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.